I just did an oil change on this 2020 Toyota Camry. So I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance minder system on this car. This is going to apply to 2018 through 2021 models, or the current generation of the Camry. So this will include 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and whatever in the future that they have. So basically, long story short, you just turn this light on so I can see better, because you have your steering controls here. So basically you're going to use this to control this little screen in the middle. Push this button, it's going to go, and then on the top you'll see that eye icon, the car icon, the messages, and then you got to go to the settings. Then click vehicle settings. So just OK to select yes. Then you go down and then you see the scheduled maintenance. So you just got to click on that. And it's going to ask you to reset the data. So all you got to do is click yes. I've already done this before, so I'm just going to click no. So everything, mine is already done and I have taken care of it. I just wanted to do this for showing purposes. So there you go. Very, very simple. Toyota made a lot of things simple with this current generation Camry. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one, guys.